Good morning.
Good morning.
It's not morning. Yeah, it's morning for us.
Yeah.
No, it's not
For them,
morning. Yeah.
Whatever
you.
time it is.
Yes. Good. Whatever you're doing. Whew. We're having a recording day today, and last night was a little bit late.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Good chicken. I had good chicken.
Morrison did a chicken drip.
Yeah.
Chicken drip. Chicken with hot sauce dripped all over it.
Yeah.
This is typical Morrison. Always wants sauce for the video. Sauce, more sauce.
Proper sauce.
Sauce. Sauce is the boss. And today we're gonna finish up the 24-hour dry aged steak. So that's kind of cool. Dry aged it yesterday, and started dry age yesterday. Finishing it off today. Got the kamada ready. Everything, lights are already set up. I'm good to go. Marcin, you good to go? You look a little bit nippy.
Yeah.
How's the weather?
I'm a little bit tired. I was really tired when I got home. Every time I was falling asleep, I woke up like half in panic. Like, I can't sleep. I got things to do.
Yes,
So, yeah.
that's right.
That was my night.
No sleep for the wicked. Well, glad you're well rested then.
Yes.
Oh, let's just get the show on the road. Wow. So, I think Morrison is a typical male. And when typical males start cooking, they always leave crappy stuff everywhere. And I bet you... Morrison!
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh. The one I forgot.
See, that's the only reaction I needed for this video.
The one I got.
Guilty as charged. The one that got away. Yeah, sure. Let's see. You know how Morrison solved that problem? Let me show you. Hi, Mitchell.
Morning.
Good friend. You finished?
Oh boy. Oh no.
Morrison has another present for you.
Always with the presents.
More presents.
Oh, that one's not right now.
So,
See, you got me distracted instantly.
instantly. You got a system, man, going on here.
Yeah.
You're the... Yeah,
We have to, otherwise.
you're the shark.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
See,
Here we go.
Morrison is so lucky that
Yeah.
Mitchell cleans it up. Such a nice guy. And oh yeah, Morrison's just so lucky. So lucky. I never had that when I started out. I never had that when I made my first video. Morrison!
Yeah.
How do you feel other people cleaning your dishes?
Pretty good actually.
So, the...
I can't
See,
complain.
you're delightfully politically incorrect.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how we say it in Dutch. Because the right answer would have been, I feel really guilty, I want to help him out, but I can't because I got all this work to do.
I'm so busy.
But Morrison just says,
But you.
I'm really happy that I don't have to do it.
But you must not forget who tasted my bacon jam first.
I don't know.
There was bacon jam in it. And the one who's cleaning now tasted first.
Ah, so you basically you say he earned the right to clean the dishes?
Well, no, but he enjoyed it. He definitely enjoyed it.
Well, we're firing up the Kamada Joe. I think it's better left unsaid what's going on here. We're firing up the Kamada Joe. Comparing the steaks, photos recorded. We're on a roll, man. What time is it? What time is it?
I'm scared to even watch it.
10?
10 o'clock, 1 minute before 10. And we already are fully cooking.
And the barbecue's already on fire. Woo! This is a work of art. It's my art. I want to eat it. I want to eat it so bad. This could be lunch, but it's not going to be. It's going to be for the photo.
Ooh, looking good.
Looking good, right?
Nice.
Whoa. You're stealing all the pasta.
Look at the steak.
Ooh, what do you think, Mitchell?
It's so tasty.
Fresh or 24 hours dry aged?
24.
24. They're both good.
Nice bit. Dude, you're cleaning up the plate. Look what I'm left with. Look.
Some
A
green
pathetic
stuff.
heap of green pasta. I feel like Jamie Oliver right now. Imagine what Jamie Oliver would feel like. This is what Jamie Oliver feels like
All the time.
I was saying what Jamie Oliver feels like. I don't want to be Jamie Oliver. Dude, this is the worst jokes ever. I don't want to... I'm sorry, Jamie, if you're watching. I never intended to fumble you, feel you. I mean, I just want to
He's gonna
be...
punch you
I
at
want
the
to be...
Oscars.
Yeah, he's going to punch me at the Oscars of YouTube. Oh boy, I will never be on the Oscars of YouTube. For sure. Ooh.
Oh boy. Next video.
Next video, and it's going to be delightful. Morrison is at it again. Like when yes, you are. He's at it again. Look, we started making the thumbnail for this video. Like, I think no. Like, look. We had a beautiful picture.
Yeah.
It was totally acceptable as a thumbnail, and it looks freaking awesome. You look at it.
Yeah, but this is the new one.
No. We had that one.
No,
Like,
yeah, but now the fire is better.
Look at this. What more do you want in life? A fire? Chicken?
I want chicken.
Yeah, but you want both, right? Like a warming fire. It's getting a little colder again.
Yeah, we got snow coming up.
Snow is coming again. Don't ask me why.
No, it
I'm-
was
I'm
terrific
not-
summer though.
It was.
I really enjoyed it.
You really enjoyed the 2 weeks of summer.
I really enjoyed it.
So confusing for us as Dutch people. You never know when it's really a season. It's either raining or it's snowing or it's not snowing. Last year in April we had snow.
Yeah. So it can happen again. I hope so.
I heard they had like snow in Greece last week or something like that.
Really?
It's like, yeah, it's totally insane. It's not in Greece. We're talking about Greece, where the olives grow.
It sounds. It's getting really familiar with how disaster movie.
End
happens.
of times. Yeah. This is the end of times.
This is how every disaster.
You better start
movie-
grilling because it might be the last barbecue session.
Yeah.
In the meantime, something happened.
Yeah. Yeah. You made a really fun TikTok.
Yeah, but it could be perceived to quite different from fun.
Yeah.
It could be a bit
If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's
on,
fun.
on TikTok. Oh, we could show them, right?
Yeah, you gotta show him.
Show them, Morrison. Come on. Don't leave them out.
This is for all the vegan friends.
Oh.
Oh. Apparently, you guys like that kind of stuff if you're on TikTok. So I do like it myself. Not that I don't like it, but they're like I was expecting it to be getting like blocked or eliminated because of that. So, well, we're doing pretty good so far. I bet we won't make it to 100,000 though.
9 minutes later.
This poor little doggy was eating its favorite meal, which is chicken.
Chicken.
Yesterday, because Morrison made chicken yesterday. So the dog was eating, but Morrison forgot to mention to the dog that there was a delicious hot sauce around the chicken, covered in butter, which the dog loves even more than chicken. So the dog found out overnight that hot sauce is maybe not great for dogs. So,
I warned her.
so Eva, you still want that chicken? Should we give him more chicken?
I think she wants chicken.
Eva wants more.
Chicken?
Chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken wing. I swear to God, she's
rather
gonna.
serious. Eva.
Yeah, she's gonna grab you.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
She's
Can't
thinking of
go.
ways
Yeah.
to kill you.
Yeah.
101 ways to kill you by dog.
In her mind, she already killed me several times now, I think. Did you, Eva? Did you? I'm getting the death stare.
It's not so unfair to my little girl, my little doggy dog. Eva, come. I'm carving off a breast. Come on, come. You wanna go here? Come, go over there. Is that the good stuff? There you go.
You happy?
Run!
You want to eat it all the way over there. Lick it first. Watch my surroundings.
Get a bearing.
Get a feel of the lay of the land and then eat it.
Lay of the land. I'm really, really curious.
What?
And I want to ask Mitchell something.
What?
Oh man.
Come with me, come.
Yeah? What?
A little closer together.
What's going on?
Mitchell,
Yeah.
you were here yesterday.
Yeah.
And what did you eat?
We ate chicken.
Okay, so here's the question.
Yeah.
Whose chicken tastes...
I'm not going there.
No, dude, be a man.
Oh, man.
Be a man, be honest.
I know.
Whose chicken?
Yeah, Morris knows the answer. Because
Whose chicken? Let me finish, the people don't know. I gotta finish like a
to
quiz
watch the
master that's
video.
gonna give you 1 million euros. Dude.
that your chicken. You just said that's on video, right? 1 million euros. That's proof.
Again,
heard it here.
you didn't let me finish the
Can I
sentence.
borrow 10,000 euros?
What? Whose chicken tasted better?
Oh man. It's like yes, it's
Are you
chicken.
gonna be a daddy's girl or a mommy's girl?
Okay, I prefer the hot ones. There you go. There you have it.
I quit. I quit.
Okay.
I quit.
No, make it
No,
feel
no,
better.
no,
Make it
no,
feel
no,
better.
no, no. I see what's happening here. I'll get you. All right, you guys clean up. I'll be on my couch.